Hi friends, today I am going to show you how to install the Redmine 2.5 version in Ubuntu. For this we require Java in your system, so please be checked with Java is installed in your system or not. After that, start the installation. So just follow the steps what I am doing now, and this is a document for the Redmine installation, and these whole commands is to execute for installing the Redmine. Now I am going to start the installation. First step is to update and upgrade the versions. Give the password. Here you can see it's going to updating. So just wait for a few seconds. You need to be patient while installing the Redmine. It's very easy to install and easy to work on it. Till now we completed that, we executed, updated and upgrade versions. So the next step is we need to execute the whole packages which is required for the Redmine. So for that, this command is going to be used. So enter this command in your terminal. Click enter and select Y to continue. It's processing. You need to be patient. Just wait for a few seconds. Here in this command, you can cover your whole packages like MySQL, Fusion Passenger, and the languages which are required for the Redmine, that will be covered in this command. Still you need to wait for a few seconds. It's processing. Redmine is so simple to install. So You have to be patient while installing the Redmine. It's almost done. After this, you need to check that Apache is successfully installed or not. So please just follow the steps what I am doing, and without completion of one command, don't go for other command. Okay, it's done. And now it's asking for the password of MySQL. Give the password for MySQL. I'm giving my own password and select OK. Click on OK and repeat the same password which you given before. Click OK and now select Apache 2. It's processing. See, in this command, it covers whole packages. So, you need to be patient while executing this. And whenever you given the password, just remember that password. It will be very useful for the further installation also. So password is must and should. Just remember or note on it anywhere. It's going to be completing. Just wait for a few more seconds. Yeah, finally it's enabling the whole thing. Setting up, updating, creating. It's restarting that button. Yeah, now you need to select the S button. Select S, and now it's asking for the password of the database administrative user. You can give your own password and please remember that password as well. And select OK. And now give the password for the MySQL application for PHP MyAdmin. Click OK. And repeat the same password which you given before for MySQL. MySQL for phpMyAdmin and select OK. And now it is saying that next step the database. We got some error, but don't worry about that. Just retry it again. Select as, and it asking for the database administrative password. Select OK. So if you repeat continuously repeatedly got the error, select ignore. Don't worry about that. And the next step is now install the subversions. Enter the command in your terminal. Select Y to continue. Yeah, finished. Now just check in your web server that Apache is successfully installed or not. For that, you need to give localhost / enter. Yeah. If Apache is successfully installed, then you'll get this page. If not, it doesn't work. After that, continue the same below command. Enter this command in your terminal. And continue the same below command as well. And this whole command is for installing the subversions. Now you can observe that this module is already enabled. So for this, you should not worry about that. Now open the config file. Here you can observe that one config file is open. In this, you need to uncommand these following lines. Now I will show you how to do that. Uncomment this line. You can check it here. Location SVN. Yeah, location SVN is matched. And DAV SVN. Yeah, DAV SVN is here. Uncomment this line also. And SVN parent path. Here it is. SVN parent path. Yeah, uncomment this also. And after that, authenticate type. Yeah. It should be downwards. Yeah, authenticate type. Uncomment this also, and after that authenticate name my repository. Yeah, here it is. Yeah, you need to change here subversion. Instead of subversion, you need to place my repository. After that, you need to uncomment this my repository. And what next? Authenticate authorized SVN. Authenticate user file. You need to be uncomment this also. And after that, this one. After that, limit this one. And required valid user also. And limit accept and location. So once check with the document, DAV SVN parent path, and yeah, we done almost. And save this file by clicking on Ctrl F and select Y to save the file and click enter. It's successfully saved. After that, continue with the command. Next command. Give this command in your terminal. Yeah. After that, add the Redmine user for reading from repository. For this, we need to use this command. Click enter, and you need to give the password. Click enter, repeat the same password. Yeah. After that, restart the web server, that is Apache 2. Yeah. If Apache 2 is restarted, you will get the successful message that OK. If not, it gets failed. Now create the repository by using this command. After that, change the ownership. And now open the config file of repository access. Click enter. Yeah, it's open. You can observe one config file is open. Now you need to add this and save the file. Select Y and click enter. And after that, install the Ruby and Ruby on Rails by using this command. Click enter and select Y to continue the It's processing. You need to be patient and you just wait and watch what it's going to be executing. It's almost done. Just wait for a few seconds. It's fetching. Still you need to wait for a few more seconds. Yeah, it's done. After that, enter this command in your terminal. Click enter. Yeah, it's done. And after that, update the gem bundler. Nothing is updated. So we need to install this gem bundler. It's installing the gem bundler. Yeah, it's done. Now install the Redmine. So before installing the Redmine, you need to change the directory by using this. After that, continue with the next command. It's processing. Yeah, done. And next, continue with the same next command as well. And next, these command we need to be used. And this whole command is for installing the Redmine. So enter the commands one by one. Finally done. After that, you need to install the MySQL. Give the password which is given previously for MySQL. Yeah. After that, execute the following lines. Just to check that MySQL is successfully installed or not. Yeah. Here you can observe that queries are okay. Queries are successfully executed. So, now the MySQL is successfully installed in your system. And follow the next step. Now configure the Redmine database connection with this command. Now open the database config file by using this command. Here you can observe one config file is open, and in this config file you need to change the username and password. I'll show clearly. Just follow what I am doing now. And change the password as well. And save the file. And after that, configuration. For this again we need to change the directory. Next, you need to continue the below steps. Give this command in your terminal. So for this you need to be patient because installation is very easy, but it takes some time. It's get executing. Here you can observe that it installs all the things what we required for the Redmine installation. Now it's done, and after that you need to give this command. And next, continue with the below command as well. It is executing. Just be patient and don't disturb anything. Yeah, it's done. And give the below command as well. Now it is asking for the language. I'm selecting English. EN is for English. You can choose your own language and click enter. And now continue with the below command as well. And this whole command is for the configuration. So just follow one by one. Now it's completed. Now we need to install the Fusion Passenger. Give this command in your terminal. And next, this one. Now open the configuration file by using this command. It opens one config file. Here you need to add this one. And save the file. Control X, select Y and click enter. And next, enter this command in your terminal. And continue in the same way. Now install update by using this. Let's get updating. It takes few seconds. Still you need to wait for a few more seconds. It's going to be done. Get completed. Now give this command. And select Y to continue. It takes a few more seconds. Now it's completed. And now open the passenger configure file by using this command. Now let's get open one config file. Here you need to add the following line. And save this file. Control H, select Y and click enter. And now open the Apache 2 config file by using this command. Let's get open. And here you need to add some more lines. And save this file as well. Control S, Select Y and enter. And continue with the below command. And now finally restart the Apache 2. Yeah, here you got the message OK. If you got this message, then successfully restarted. And now check the Redmine is successfully installed or not by giving localhost /Redmine and click enter. It's connecting this way. Yeah. Now you got this page, Redmine page, home page. If you got this page, then it's get successfully installed. Thank you. If you got any queries, just mail to the prolificopen@gmail.com and if you got any queries, follow the below link at www.prolifictechnologies.com. Thank you, friends.